Welcome to Finn's Kitchen. I'm Finn, and today we will be cooking garlic sesame chicken. Let's get started, shall we? For today's meal, it'll be consisting of shredded cabbage, green onions, yellow pepper, and garlic with chicken and noodles. Let's get started. First, let's sharpen our utensils. It's always nice to have a sharp utensil while cooking. Let's start with cutting the peppers. Okay, folks, we are gonna start cutting the green onions now. Now, the thing about onions, you don't want to get them too close to your eye because they will make you cry, and it is not a pleasant moment. Let's get on to the next vegetable. Now, to prepare the garlic, you can either use this or a knife. I like using a knife because it's just easier in my opinion. So what you want to do is just get the knife over the garlic and just push down and just push down and then keep cutting the garlic. It's just easier to cut that way. You don't want to drop any food though. Now, the next thing we want to do is put the vegetables in a bowl. You don't want to put them in there with no care. You want to just nicely just not getting anything on the counter or outside of the plate. Now, just go around kind of separating the vegetables, but obviously they're still going to be the same bowl, but just try to nicely get them in there, not missing. And for the last vegetable, we'll just slide it in, and there we go. No spillage whatsoever. Something I did before the video was I pre-cut cabbage, and then right now we are going to move these aside for later. We're going to start the chicken now. Okay, folks, the next thing you want to do is grab your chicken and cut off the excess fat. Now, it's okay to leave some fat. You just want to cut off that tail end of the fat. No, nothing gross. It's really just a cooking process that you have to follow. And then you want to grab a parchment paper that I've set up earlier, and you just want to lay it down gently on the parchment paper. I'm going to finish cutting this chicken. I'll get back to you in a moment. Okay, folks, we're just finished cutting the chicken, and as you can see, it's a very, very clean cut. Oh, that's going to leave a mark. As you can see, I have just cut my hand. There's no such thing as a mistake, only a happy accident in the kitchen. Let's get this cleaned up. We'll take 5. Welcome back, folks, to Finn's Kitchen. I'm Finn, and unfortunately, there's been a mistake or a happy accident, as I like to say. And for all you young kids watching out there, knives are sharp. Let's get right back to cooking. So, before you put the chicken in the oven, you want to give it a light dab with oil. Just to give it a little bit of oil. The next thing you want to do is grab your little garlic salt, pepper, and seasoning salt. So the chicken is going to take approximately 12 to 14 minutes. So now we wait. Whew, I gotta get a pump. Go. 99! 100! Okay, folks, let's get back to the chicken, shall we? Alright, let's prepare the sauce. So, we're going to be adding in soy sauce, some garlic, I think, some teriyaki sauce, some water, try not to spill, and some cornstarch. Let's whisk. Now, when you're whisking, you don't want to shake it too vigorously, or else the liquid will be going everywhere. Just have a nice steady pace, and that's how you make the sauce. Now, a good way to test the noodles, or a good way that I like to test the noodles, you just take your fork or your spoon, just grab a noodle, and if it sticks to the wall when you throw it, they're cooked. If they don't, well, just keep cooking them.
Finn!
It looks like they need to be cooked a little bit longer. We'll get to it. Dinner is served. This has been another edition of Cooking with Finn. I'm Finn, and we'll hope to see you next time, where the fire department won't be called and our alarm won't go off. See you next time. I keep laughing. Do you mind? No, it's already... No, I can't. Not ready yet. For this dish, we'll be having... Okay, I can't cut these if my life depended on them. Depended on it. Anyway, let's get right back to cooking. So, before we put the... Now, it cuts very smoothly, as you can tell. And it's just... I can't do that voice without cracking up. Now, to pair... Okay. Now, to prepare... I can't say this word. To prepare... Okay. I should have got that way. You don't want to drop any food, though.
Don't let him eat that.
You don't even know where it went. Okay, well, that's garbage. Just want to get it nice and mixed up. Bring it up. Stir it around. No!